I have this unfinished frame. It's an 8x8 by Michaels. It's a clip frame, and you can get them for about $1. It comes with this little tiny peg, which is supposed to be to hold the back up. And I'm going to start by painting it with Snow Owl by Wise Owl. I'm painting the clip and all. This is going to be a very easy craft for you to pull together. I'm using my 2-inch angle brush by Wise Owl. You can find that at chalkitupfancy.com. And once dry, I'm taking Mandarina and putting it in the little grooves on the board. And I'm not looking for anything perfect. I'm just dusting it in there, dusting around the edges. Then I'm painting the peg brown. It's actually chocolate by Wise Owl. And I stand it up in the clip. The clip swivels to the top, and then I just stood it in the clip. I'm taking this pretty ribbon that I grabbed. The one pumpkin one was from a wholesale place local to me, but the plaid was from Dollar Tree. Actually, both plaids were from Dollar Tree. And I'm taking some straight pieces and then adding a piece of jute to the center and making myself a bow. And I'm attaching this by threading the excess jute through the little hole in the clip part so that the bow can hang. I found this glitter leaf also at the dollar store, and it has a little clippy thing on it, and I clipped it right to the bow. Guys, this is a very, very easy craft to put together. You could do this with your kids, actually. I don't think I used the hot glue once. So I'm taking a piece of wood. I found that grateful pumpkin at Hobby Lobby, and I'm taking a piece of wood and using some Elmer's glue to attach it. The grateful pumpkin is going to help it stand on its own. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can also check out our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. Paintbrushes, paint, transfers, and tissue paper, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.